What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This box, I believe, was sent to me by my good friend at Shaker MT1970. The reason I say I believe is because he got this knife in a recent trade, and he had the gentleman send it straight to me instead of to him. So we'll find out together. I'll try and remember to pin a comment, because I don't remember exactly what the knife is. Anyways, we're going to all enjoy this organically together. In my time, I have not selected a new knife for my permanent unboxing knife, so we're still using the Guardian Tactical. Before we get into it, if you guys didn't know, I have my own knife store now. So if you open up the description in any one of my, well, and not all of my videos, but this video and a lot moving forward, the very top link right there will take you to my Amazon knife store, which once it's loaded here, I'll be able to give you an example of. It shows a whole bunch of categories, including my most recommended knives, my favorite budget knives, fixed blades, EDC gear, Spyderco, Benchmade, ZT, blah, blah, blah. Whatever your itch is, you can use my store to scratch it. There's also a whole bunch of other links down there for other great stuff. Anyways, let's go ahead and get in here. What's my time on that? Yeah, it was under a minute. I know you guys, a lot of you hate that self-promotion stuff, but my rule is if I can get it in the video in under a minute, I'm doing pretty good. Okay, I have to be careful with some of this packaging because I'm always worried, like, is there personal information on it? It doesn't look like there are. Yeah, this is definitely from Shaker. I do not know how to pronounce that. Herucus Blomerus, South African knives here. Yeah, I am completely unfamiliar with this. So this is new knife, new brand for me. Very excited in any case. Holy moly, wow. Look at this. This is insane. Okay, yeah, completely unfamiliar. This is Damascus bolsters, Damascus pocket clip. I'll be honest with you guys, I do not know what this material is here. Anodized liners. Okay, hang on. Let me get my fingerprints off of this before we flip it out, because I'm sure it's going to be very impressive, right? Ooh, boy, here we go. Ready? Oh, it's just like, it's like driving a Porsche. That is something that I have very little experience with, but I do have experience with it. Oh my goodness, hand rubbed satin finish on that blade. Looks like semi-mirror flats, and then this beautiful Damascus or you know, possibly Damasteel bolsters here. Whatever this material is, it kind of looks like wood with something else in there. I don't know. Titanium liners that have been anodized blue, and I'm going to say definitely runs on bearings. Absolutely frictionless. No question about it. Absolutely frictionless. Wonderful. I very much enjoy the simple lines of the knife, and then all the complexity is in the detail. That is just stunning. Shaker, I think you knew that this was going to be something that was really going to grab my attention. Holy cow. Well, I'll be doing some research on this so that I can actually bring you guys information in detail when we do the review, but I think that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. So, like I said, be sure to check out my description for my merch store, Patreon, the Amazon knife store, and all that good stuff. Anyways, if you enjoyed this little unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.